Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun high five emoji twin animation from just a single photo using Pixverse. It's quick, easy and completely free to try. So let's get started. First, just open Pixverse. You can either use the website on your browser or if you prefer, just use mobile versions. Just head to the Play Store and then download Pixverse app like this. And once installed, just log in with your Google account. And the good news is Pixverse gives you a free daily credit so you can generate animations without spending anything. Next, after logging in, just go to template, this one. And here's just search for high five emoji twin. This one, just tap on it and then use template. This template is designed to make your photo come alive with a playful emoji twin and then put character do a high five. Next, just upload the photo that you want to use. Make sure your image is clear and valid for the best result. Like that. And when you're done selected the photo, just hit create. And then go to mine and then just wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. And okay, like this. Pixverse automatically turn it into a high five emoji twin animations. And honestly, it's super cute. And then if you're happy with it, just click download to save your animations. You can also share it directly on your social media. And okay, that's it. Super simple, right? Now you know how to make your own high five emoji twin animations using Pixverse for free. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.